Hi, I'm Nicole Parmar, and today we're going to talk about hyper-personalization. But first, let's start with the problem. During the last 2 years, a global pandemic was a forcing function for many businesses. A lot of user behavior changed online. Our patterns, our wants, and expectations changed as well. All businesses were affected, wealth management included. You probably even noticed an influx of information in your mailbox, in-app messaging, or text messages. As new technologies increased, so did the competition. It got harder, louder, noisier, and busier than ever online. It's hard to stand out. Also during this time, baby boomers decided to transfer trillions of dollars to millennials and Gen Z. This is a trend that is set to continue for the next 20 years or until $68 trillion has landed in new hands. Those new high net worth customers solely rely on digital expressive communications for all aspects online. This includes wealth management. So, what's the solution? How do you and your business and your brand stand out above the crowd and make some noise online? The solution to that? Hyper-personalization. Hyper-personalization is tailored information specifically for your user or client. A Gartner study revealed that companies utilizing hyper-personalization are outselling competitors by 30%. Are you ready to outpace and outsell your competitors by 30%? I thought so. All right, before we jump into our 5 steps, I want you to put 5 companies in the back of your mind. I want you to think about Google, Amazon, Netflix, Baidu, and Alibaba. Every time you log on, those companies tailor information specifically for you and your needs. They do a great job. All right, let's start building a hyper-personalization plan for you and your clients. Step 1, you have to start with goals and KPIs in mind. It's a great idea to take an overview of what you're currently doing for your company. Take a look at what you're doing great for communication, the age, the demographics, everybody you're doing well with. Also take stock of some areas that need improvements. From there, you can do research, gather intel through emails, phone conversations, intake forms, and once you have that information, store it in your CRM. From there, you can set goals, either monthly or quarterly, in order to land new clients, close more deals, or just start a new hyper-personalization program. Step 2, you're going to need to use that data in order to create a hyper-personalized strategy. From here on, you should be thinking of how to automate everything in your business. This includes sending birthday cards, anniversary cards, happy birthdays, welcome to the world, graduation, and unfortunately passing. Condolence cards should be sent as well. You can also start automating other information, such as reporting, accounting, and educational pieces. Any information that you send needs to be hyper-focused and tailored for your clients. This includes specific information, recommendations, and servicing strategies. Step 3, you're going to need to use some tools and some technology. In order for hyper-personalization to work, you're going to need a CRM, an email marketing platform, and a sales tracking system. Usually these are lumped in together, and these can be found in tools such as Salesforce, Zoho, Wealthbox, or HubSpot. There are many more. Let's move on to step 4. From here, you're going to need to use data in order to segment your users. In order for hyper-personalization to work, you're going to need to lump your clients together so you can work on their issues, challenges, and where they want to go. All right, last but not least, step 5. You're going to need to use predictive analytics. Predictive analytics in wealth management should include an optimized service level, allocating portfolios and providing advice based on personalized data, improving communication and minimizing the loss of clients, cross-selling and upselling, and streamlining investor relationships. Your clients are going to greatly benefit from hyper-personalization for 2 reasons. 1, you'll be able to predict and serve them better based on past data. And 2, you can get real-time feedback based on automated messaging in order to serve their current needs. In order to leverage hyper-personalization, you're going to need to spend time creating a framework that accounts for all parts of your business. This will need to be efficient and fluid, but flexible enough in order to change as new data arises. You will need to evaluate and refine processes. Hyper-personalization requires time and discipline, but when used properly, it will help you achieve and stay top of the table. Good luck!